Hey, broke spiritual people. Instead of paying $2K for that yoga teacher training, that natural health cert, that, 5-day retreat, I got a different idea for you. I know so many people who are broke, doing things they don't really want to do, whether it's being a waiter, landscaping, gardening, painting, washing windows, you name it. So many of us are trapped in these jobs, not making much money and not sure how to get more into our soul work. If that resonates with you, stay tuned for this video. Welcome back to Wisdom Warriors. I'm Christian, and today we're talking about financial freedom and coming into your inner purpose. Now, these are two very big concepts, and honestly, if we don't figure these out, that's gonna rule a lot of our lives. So let's dive into it. Stop looking for your soul mission or trying to do your soul work right now. The first thing we need to do as an entrepreneur is look at the marketplace and identify needs. Identify how we can be of value to others. That is the essential skill of the entrepreneur, is to not look at, oh, me. I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to do that. No, it's what do people need? That is the first frame of mind shift that must happen. I was just on a call with a friend of mine, and she was struggling in a job she doesn't like, wanting to create more financial freedom and do more things she enjoys doing. And I gave her that perspective of like, how could you serve me? How could you go serve another entrepreneur? How could you go serve an influencer? What skills do you have, or what skills can you acquire, right, that are going to be of value to people, where people would literally pay you for your time? All those certs and degrees and yoga teacher trainings and qigong trainings that spiritual people pay for are worthless. Now, these certificates and trainings, they're beautiful for your own spiritual and personal development, but utterly worthless when it comes to trying to make money or step into more financial freedom and soul-aligned purpose. They are worthless if you don't have an audience or know how to build a brand, know how to build a business around that skill you have to offer. I know someone who is going through a master's degree in somatic therapy, right? So much training, so much schooling, so much money, right? But she's struggling to find clients, while people on Instagram who have a big following and just a little certificate in somatic therapy are getting all these clients, doing all this work and making all this money. Why? What's the difference? One knows marketing, how to brand, how to work with people, and the other is going for a degree that is worthless in and of itself. The market is so saturated with yoga teachers, with qigong teachers, with another natural healing therapist of some kind, that certificate, that degree alone isn't going to do anything for you. What we need to do is look at the marketplace and see, how can we be of value for what is? Where is there an industry that maybe I would like to work in? Here's an example for you. Say that you have an interest in filmmaking and video editing, right? And you love movement, like martial arts, yoga, those types of things. Go get a course, invest $1,000 into, a video editing, filmmaking course from someone you really like, right? Go take that course instead of go to another retreat or a yoga teacher training. The key here is to invest yourself into a marketable skill and stack skills up. It doesn't have to be your highest joy and purpose, but you need to stack a lot of small stones in order to build Rome. Take that course and get good at filmmaking. Start practicing. Maybe make a little video for someone for $200 in town, right? Reach out to friends who are maybe personal trainers or something. And then all of a sudden, you have a little portfolio, right? And you can go up to a dojo you really like, or a Budokan movement school, which you really want to go to, and be like, hey, I will make you guys an epic video. Here's some of my work I already did. I would love to work with you guys, right? All of a sudden you have a job doing something and working with people that you want to be around, that you enjoy being around, and you're developing a skill that's valuable to other people. You're getting paid to do that. All of a sudden that grows. Maybe you're managing their Instagram, their YouTube channel. So now you're learning content branding. All of a sudden that grows and you're helping them write scripts, and you're getting on camera more and you're getting good at speaking. And then you're writing copy for websites and copy for their newsletter. And then all of a sudden you're running a team, Or all of a sudden you're starting your own brand because you just got paid to learn all of these skills. Getting paid to learn the skills that you need as an entrepreneur or to be of value to others is one of the biggest hacks in the system. And all of a sudden you can start acquiring skills and more money, right? And skills stack, they compound. There's so many different facets of entrepreneurship, of this online culture, of small business, of whatever you want to do. There's so many facets of it. And by starting with something that you're called to, that you kind of like, that you would rather do that for work than whatever you're doing now, go there and build skills. By taking this approach, all of a sudden you become super valuable. You build a network, you see what's out there, and maybe you find what you really want to do. And now you have all the skills and the resources behind you to enact that soul mission, to do what you're called to do. I want to give you guys a final example of how to do this, and this is the advice I just gave to a friend, is look at entrepreneurs, small businesses, or influencers you really like. You like their content, they have a business going, they're making money, right? And imagine, really go study them and see how you could possibly add value to them. Maybe they don't have an Instagram going. Maybe their newsletter is written on an iPhone really quickly. Maybe they need help with video editing. I know if someone came to me and said, hey, I would love to help you and edit your thumbnails, I'd be like, great, I'll pay you $20 a thumbnail, in a moment. Right? I'm already paying people to help me edit, my book, my scripts, and I do that for other people as well. It's you can go to influencers, to entrepreneurs, and if you can be like, hey, I want to help you with that. Maybe you do it for free. Maybe you took a course and you have a portfolio and you can charge for that skill, right? But what I'm saying is also you can start working with people that you like in areas that you enjoy working in an industry that maybe one day you see yourself growing in. Now all of a sudden you're creating more income. You're freeing up more time to help other entrepreneurs or invest more energy in that team that you're on, right? And now you have more income to, pay for a course, hire a coach. And when you do that, all of a sudden you build more skills and develop rapidly. I know for me, when I hired my first coach, I made $6,000 in that month alone, right? Basically from nothing. Just by hiring a coach and investing the resources I was earning elsewhere back into myself, not into the stock market or the crypto game, but buying the skills that will literally compound my active income exponentially. But ultimately, my friends, all my broke spiritual friends and, young men out there, is look at the industry, look at the field that you're interested in, right? Whether it's YouTube creators, influencers, natural health, healers and people, permaculture people, movement specialists, look at that field, find people you really like and identify how could I add value to this person, and then go out and develop the skills, right? Maybe you like writing. So many people need help with writing, with editing script, with creating newsletter, with creating content. Maybe you like editing. Maybe you like networking. These are all online skills, but you can also apply this same mindset in person with people. Think outside the box and let your intuition and heart guide you here. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more and hit that bell notification button. Furthermore, I'll have a link in the description where you can apply for my mastermind or to work with me one-on-one. I love helping, coaches, people start YouTube channels, and really just help people get going towards their soul mission and their creative expression. So if that interests you, link in the description for that. Thanks for being here, guys. I can't wait to make more videos like this. Let me know if you found it helpful and hit that like button. Peace.